Transform your Shopify store from static to spectacular by embedding your Figma designs directly, bringing your product visions to life for customers. First, let's prepare your Figma design. Navigate to your desired mockup or prototype within Figma. You'll need to make sure it's ready for sharing. Look for the Share button, usually located in the top right corner of your Figma interface. Clicking Share will open a dialog box. From here, you want to find the option to get an embeddable link. This is typically found under a Get Link or Embed Code section. Ensure the sharing permissions are set so anyone with the link can view your design. Once you've located and copied the embed link, it's time to head over to your Shopify store. You'll be working within the Shopify admin panel. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the online store option in the left-hand menu. Then select Pages. This is where you'll choose which page you want to embed your Figma design on. You might want to create a new page specifically for showcasing your prototypes or add it to an existing product page. Once you're on the page editor for your chosen page, you'll see the rich text editor. Here's the crucial step. You need to switch to the HTML view. Look for a small Show HTML editor or a code icon, usually a pair of angle brackets less than greater than, within the toolbar of the rich text editor. Click that icon to reveal the HTML editor. Now, simply paste the Figma embed link you copied earlier directly into this HTML code. You might want to wrap it in an iframe tag for better control over its display. A common way to do this is to paste the frame code. After pasting the embed code, switch back to the rich text editor view by clicking the same HTML icon again. You should now see your interactive Figma design embedded directly into your Shopify page. Save your changes, and your customers can now explore your professional product mockups and prototypes right on your store.